Alright guys, well apparently my tripod decided it doesn't want to play nice anymore. Stupid little grip thing busted, so let's hope the phone doesn't fall while we film this. Alright, so the final step in the assembly of the computer. Had to wait on this one because I had to get the parts in. Installing the RAM. I like these guys. None of the RGB stuff, makes it nice and simple. And it keeps the price a little bit lower. And this package is super easy to open up. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that sticker and crap out of the way. So here are your RAM modules. Down in here is where the RAM actually goes into the case. Let's get some light in there. You've got these 4 little slots here where the RAM goes. And generally speaking, almost all cases, if you're doing 2 sticks of RAM, you're going to be in this one and this one. Where if you're doing all 4, naturally you would fill up all 4. The user manual for your motherboard will say which ones to populate first if you're just doing 2 RAM sticks, but every board I've seen pairs those 2 as the first ones, is where they say to do it. So you simply take your RAM out of the plastic, which can be a bit of a pain sometimes. There we go. Now, if you can look down in here, I don't know how well it's going to show up on the camera, but there's a ridge right down in here, and that ridge needs to be lined up with the notch in the memory. So we're going to check and see, because one side is slightly longer than the other. So what you can do is you can look and see which way it's facing, and we can tell from here that notch is just slightly off from where that RAM is. So that tells me this RAM unit here needs to actually go the other way around. And so we just line it up, and we push down till we get the click at the back. No, that's actually not wanting to. No, it was right before. I was just thrown off a little bit. Okay, so get this lined up here, and that lined up there. Or seated. Usually you get a nice little click. Alright. And then we repeat. And generally, let's see here. Get this one to come out. Get that out of the way. Alright. So these actually are going to go in, looks like the same way. Yeah. So we just slide down, and there's your first click, and there's your second click. And bam, it's that simple. RAM is one of the easiest things to install in a computer. Now, in the case of the whole Ryzen thing, you're going to want to go in and set profiles, which we may or may not cover in another video. I'm still debating whether I want to do more videos. I need to get this thing actually done, and I'm super busy with a bunch of stuff right now, so I gotta have this thing up and running like tomorrow night basically, so I can start installing all the software on it. Alright, so I'll check in with you guys later. If we end up doing more videos, we'll get more videos. If not, I'll see you when I see you.